Welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is PG Naresh, PG Assistant in Commerce Department. I am working in Vedatri Maharshi Higher Secondary School, SVG Puram. This video I give to 12th standard board exam students especially. Very useful, interesting topic. The 12th standard 4th chapter, the financial market. It is a very important role for the business purpose. Those who are doing the business without money cannot run the business, or each and every activity is for the money. So, first of all, we do for meaning of the financial market. See here, definition given the two authors, Brigham and Huygens F. These two authors given the definition for the financial market. The place where people and organizations wanting to borrow money are brought together, those having surplus fund. That is called financial market. Those people having the surplus fund give to the use for business purpose, another person. So the financial market is very, very important for the business use. Next topic, the types of financial market. Lot of kinds of financial markets having. We will see only 5 financial markets now. That is very important. The basis of financial claim, and then maturity basis, and then time of issue basis, and then time of delivery. There are some kinds of financial markets having here. So first we will see on the basis of types of financial claims. First one is the debt market. Financial claim divided into 2 markets. The first one is debt market, second one is equity market. So first, what is debt market? A market here trading for the only debt instrument. Debt instrument only trading here, this market, for the use for the business purpose. For example, debentures, securities, bonds, this like that, etc. That documents only selling the here debt market. Another one, equity market. A market trading for the year only equity shares. The equity shares only trading here. The company sells the equity shares only. So that is equity shares. The second one, on the basis of maturity of financial claim, there are divided 2 market. First one is money market and capital market. First one is money market, second one is capital market. What is money market? Financial market provided 2 types of funds. Money market and capital, short-term funds and long-term funds. So money market only issue for the short-term claims. Short-term funds only given here. Short-term funds means below 1 year or less. The short-term financial claim issued for the below 1 year only. Example, treasury bills, certificate of deposits, etc. And then capital market provided for the long-term funds. Long-term funds means here trading for the long-term financial claims. Example, shares. Shares, the lifetime of the company is given to the shares only sell it. Whenever winding of the company, that time he can receive the shares. So this period is long period. So capital market say that only issue for the long-term funds. Money market given to the short-term funds financial. So using for the business industries, government sectors, and individual persons can start a business that is using for the funds. And then third one is the basis of time of issue of financial claims. Issue of time of issue financial claim, that is very important. The new issue, first one is primary one. They divided by 2. The first one is primary market. Second one is secondary market. Primary market, a company issue the new shares only. New shares only, first time sell the securities here. So issue the new securities, that is called primary market. And then secondary market. Secondary markets here, trading here, the already issued securities, resale of the shares here. Resale, actually resale already issued shares, again resell that shares only. Exactly, stock exchange doing that work. Resell the shares that work having the stock exchange. And then fourth one, on the basis of time of delivery. The time of delivery means which time business doing that time, the divided by 2, cash and spot market and the future and forward market. The cash and spot market, the instrument and payment of cash occurred immediately whenever the desired the business, and the spot time conclusion come to the business. Transactions and the payment or vouchers or payment or instructions, everything, instrument completed that place immediately on the time. And the next one, futures and forward market. Instrument and payment, cash not occurred immediately. Predetermined the transaction whenever during the business delivery of the time is predetermined. So future based doing that business here, forward or future market, that is called. Okay, another one, fifth one, the basis of the organization structures. On the basis of organization structures of the financial market, the exchange trade market. First one is exchange trade market. This is a market, a centralized organization with the standardized procedures. Standardized procedures following here, the exchange traded market. And then the second one, over the counter market. It is decentralized organization. Decentralized organization and the customized procedures. So here the following the procedures, the briefing. So these kinds of financial markets very useful for your studies. Thank you. We will see the next class.